Hi, today I'm going to make a basic Google Sketchup video. To start off, I click choose template and architectural design feet and inches. That's how I use to build stuff. So, now it's started. There's three view tools: the zoom, pan, which makes it move side to side, and orbit, which orbits around in circular motion. Anyways, I'm going to zoom out so I can see everything and pan over. To start off, I'm going to make a box with the rectangle, so the outline of my house, just going to make it like that. Then I'm going to use the push-pull tool, probably the most important tool in Google SketchUp because it makes everything 3D, so you can raise it up and down like that. So I'm just going to make it that high for starters. Then I'm going to put a door on here, and I'm going to make it like this. Good sized door, and I'm going to use the push-pull tool again and push it in it just a bit, and then I'm going to use the eraser tool and erase the bottom line so it creates inside of a house, and there you can see the person. Next I'm going to make a window. I'm just going to grab the circle tool, and instead of pushing and pulling it in, I'm going to use the select tool and I'm going to click on it so it's selected and use delete on my keyboard, and then you can see the person in there again. Next off, I'm going to put a roof on it. So to do that, there's two different ways. I'll show you the first way right now, which is raising it, and then going to the midpoint, which will line you up automatically, and making the angle of your roof. It'll line you up to the other side too, like that. Then using the push-pull tool, you can push it across and take it off. The second way is if you're making a floor plan. It's more complicated, but it's better to use because it's hard to put a roof on a floor plan if you're working on the inside of a building. So you're going to grab the arc and go point to point and raise it up to about there. Going to push it across all the way to the end point over there. So now it's like an arc. Then I'm going to use the line tool, center it up, and just push off the edges like this. There, and then that's another house just like before. Then I'm going to use eraser and erase the line so it's all one. There's also keyboard shortcuts: O's for orbit, Z's for zoom, push-pull tools, P. It's pretty straightforward. Next I'm going to create, if you click B, it'll open up the materials, which is also under window, like this, materials. And you can put bricks and stuff onto your house. So that's a cool brick, but I'm not going to use that for the outside wall. It looks weird. I'm going to go to bricks and cladding and put an antique brick on it, as it says on the thing. So now I got that, and I'm going to put roofing shingles on it. So I'm going to go to the roofing category. Just like that. So now I have a simple house. You can see Nancy in there. That's her name. So yeah. Next I'm going to make a little overhang over here, just for fun. So I'm going to make it bigger so I can make a slant on it too. So I'm going to use the push-pull tool and pull it out to about there. So now it's like that. I'm going to use the line tool, and I'm going to corner to about there. Push-pull tool. It's P on the keyboard. Put it to there, so now it's a overhang. Next I'm going to add two circles to make pillars, so it stands up, so it's not just a hanging thing. If you go with that, never mind. Usually when you go into something for 2 seconds, it'll line you up with it from point to point. Anyways, there, got a little overhang. Put roofing shingles on it so it looks more normal, like so. So that's a basic house. Next off, if you go to window and components, you can add items and furniture and whatnot more. So I'm gonna add a bench to it. Add it right in there. And it's set up pretty good right now. It's 3D, so it's hard to, the computer finds it hard to read sometimes when you're putting furniture in. Anyways, next I'm going to make a yard around it. Just gonna do this quickly, and this is because I'm going to make a walkway. See, I'm gonna line it up so it's a special walkway. Then I'm gonna grab the select tool again, take away the door, so now it's outside the door like that. Then I'm going to make the yard as big as you want, so make it small. I'll line it up so it's the same height as the walkway, like that. See, it lines me up like that. Then I'm going to go to materials again, and I'm gonna go to vegetation, and I'm just gonna go on get the grass like that, put the grass there. I'm gonna go to stone because it looks cool, like a stone walkway. And yeah, that's how to make a basic Google SketchUp video. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.